Learning to sight sing, lesson number 4, scale degree recognition. In this lesson, we're going to learn the framework of tonality, which is the scale, and particularly the scale degrees. You're going to learn to recognize each note's place in the scale, and that way, once you've heard the scale or a little bit of the song, you'll be able to latch into the scale degrees. If you're sight singing, you'll follow along and you'll know what to sing by knowing each note's place in the scale. These occur when hand signs. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do is home base. Many melodies end on do. Tonal songs end on do. And then every note has a relationship to the other notes. And some of them have very strong tendencies. Fa tends to resolve to mi. Ti tends to resolve to do. And those are great places to start when you're learning to recognize scale degrees. There are a couple exercises that are worth just having in your pocket, singing. Just pick a pitch and then see if you can sing the exercise and really learn each note's relationship to the other. This is one of my favorites. We just deal with the first 5 notes of the scale, and we practice singing every note going back to do. Do, re, do, mi, do, fa, do, sol. Then every note's relationship to sol. Sol, fa, sol, mi, sol, re, sol, do. And then I round it out by just singing 5-note scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. After singing that, you should be able to just pull sol out of your back pocket. Sol or do. Do. Maybe even some other notes. Can you sing where re is? Re is correct. Now you might partner up. I of course do this in my class. And sing to each other. So sing a fragment on solfege and have the other person sing it back. Mi, re, do. Then the other person sings it back. Mi, re, do. Or make it more challenging, have the first person sing it on ta. Ta, ta, ta. Then the other person thinks, okay, ta, sol, fa, sol, mi. So that one's sol. Sol, mi, do. The next step is to connect it with notation. Sonic Fit scale degree exercise has this bullet framework, and that's one form of notation. And in my class and on Sonic Fit, you can practice by pointing one note and then sing it. Do, re. So sing it when I point to it. Do is correct. Mi, re, do. Sing do, re, mi, fa, sol. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. Try this one. Sol, mi, do. Great. So that's actually reading music. This is the notation and you're reading it. Of course, we're used to seeing it on a staff. Okay? And this is movable do that I'm teaching you. And other instructors use numbers. So it would just be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 3, 1. So as notes going up the staff, once you know where do is, you start learning to see relationship that from line, skip a line to line, that would be up to sol. So I could do the same exercise. Do, mi, re, sol. And then you can learn to start just focusing on the notes once you get that kind of framework set up. Sol, fa, mi, do, re. Then I take them all away. Do, mi, re, mi, fa, sol. Once you get comfortable with that and you can test yourself, you just point and see if you remember where it was. Maybe have a keyboard if you have any skills with that. Then change where do is. Put do at a bottom space below the staff. Do, re, mi, re, fa,